parties, CPIM, CPIMR, RSP, forward block, leaders are arrived. Now, let us begin our proceedings. Firstly, on behalf of the National Executive, I propose the Presidium.
बहुत अच्छे से अपनी प्रोसीडिंग्स को 25 तारीख तक निभाएंगे. आई विल नीड योर कोऑपरेशन, आवर टीम विल नीड योर कोऑपरेशन. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर दैट. अभी ऑल ऑफ यू नो दैट आवर लास्ट पार्टी कांग्रेस वाज हेल्ड इन विजयवाड़ा. विजयवाड़ा में हमारा पिछला महाअधिवेशन हुआ था. सो नेचुरली विजयवाड़ा कॉमरेड्स, our Andhra comrades felt that they have to carry, which is a tradition also, from the last Congress to the new Congress, we bring the flag. So they have come with the flag. They will hand over to General Secretary. From Vijayawada, the flag has come to 25th Congress.
Dear friends and comrades from all over the country, Fraternal Party in India, delegates to the 25th Congress of Communist Party of India, sisters and brothers. Welcome to the land of 5 rivers. Welcome to the land which has been the cradle of civilization from the ancient time. Welcome to the land of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, Baba Sheikh Farid, Bulle Shah, Damodar and Dullapati. Welcome to the land of people's resistance movements, right from Pagdi Sabal Jatta in 1907 to 2020-21 Kisan Andolan against the 3 retrogressive agriculture laws. Welcome to the land of Gadar Party, which contributed the highest number of martyrs to the freedom movement in the 20th century and whose comrades laid down the foundations of the communist movement in Punjab. Welcome to the land of Jallianwala Bagh, land of Kartar Singh Sarafa, Bibi Gulab Kaur, Rahmat Ali Wajid Ke, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Udham Singh and other freedom fighters. Dear comrades, on behalf of the reception committee of the 25th Congress of CPI, on behalf of the Punjab unit of CPI, the people of Punjab and Chandigarh, I welcome you all to Comrade Sudhakar Ravi Nagar at the inaugural session of the Congress of India in India and made innumerable sacrifices, facing death sentences, life imprisonments, and confiscation of land and property. During partition, our comrade emerged as a bulwark against the communal frenzy, saving thousands of lives. That is why of a vast population, especially in the northern, central, and western India. Our task lies in fighting the dangerous trends and tendencies which are intent on tearing apart the social fabric of our beloved country. Today, communalism, crony capitalism, and neoliberalism are working hand in hand to oppress the rights of workers, peasants, tribals, Dalits, minorities, and women. A dangerous political game is being played in the name of ultra-nationalism, undermining the secular nationalism of the country, foundation of which were laid in our constitution given to us by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and other founding fathers.
What he said, bomb or pistol, that's not what is important. But at some point in time, bomb and pistol were things which he was using. He started like that. Then he started understanding what is communist movement. He started reading Lenin. When he was to be taken to the gallows, they asked whether he needs any last wish to be fulfilled. He said, yes, there is a wish. I need little more time because one revolutionary is meeting another revolutionary. He was reading Lenin. I want to complete the portion which I am reading. That is the only thing he wanted. That transformation that had happened in Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh is, when you look at freedom struggle, we find Mahatma Gandhi is an incomparable presence. No doubt about it. Mahatma Gandhi is Mahatma Gandhi. When we had a leader like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh was also able to stand up, and he continues to be counted.
But this time, because Comrade Raja wanted me to submit a written message in advance, I have done it, but that is in English. That will be distributed hopefully. But permit me to say a few words in Hindi. So I will, based on this text, but also probably add a few things in the light of the present situation in Punjab. तो साथियों, कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी स्थापना के 100 साल मेरे लिए कम्युनिस्ट संगठित कम्युनिस्ट आंदोलन के 100 साल हिंदुस्तान में। और जाहिर सी बात है कि जब इतना शानदार एक इतिहास उसको लेकर के हम लोग आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, इस इतिहास से हमेशा प्रेरणा मिलती है, ऊर्जा मिलती है। और पिछले करीब 45 साल से मैं भी कम्युनिस्ट आंदोलन में हूँ और मैं खुशकिस्मत रहा कि चाहे बंगाल हो, बिहार हो, झारखंड हो, देश के करीब हर हिस्से में हमें बहुत सारे पुराने कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी के नेता मिले हैं। सब याद आते हैं जिन लोगों से बहुत सीखने के लिए मिला, जिन तमाम लोगों से बहुत प्यार मिला, बहुत, इसलिए वो तमाम यादें हैं। पिछले ही आपके पार्टी कांग्रेस में कॉमरेड सुधाकर रेड्डी थे और आज हमारे बीच में नहीं है। कॉमरेड अतुल रंजन थे और आज हमारे बीच में नहीं है। कॉमरेड सीताराम येचुरी कल तक थे और आज हमारे बीच में नहीं है। तो उन तमाम कम्युनिस्ट आंदोलन के शहीदों को, उन तमाम हमारे बिछड़े हुए साथियों को आज आपके इस पार्टी महाधिवेशन के मंच से मैं सलाम करता हूँ और ये संकल्प लेता हूँ कि उनके अधूरे काम को पूरा करने के लिए, उनके मिशन को पूरा करने के लिए जितनी भी ताकत है वो ताकत लगा देंगे और इस देश में शहीदों के अरमानों को जरूर मंजिल तक पहुंचाने की कोशिश करेंगे। ये पंजाब है।
सुरवरमा मां सुधाकरा रेड सैल्यूट सुरवरमा मां सुधाकरा సురవరమా తెలుగు నేలపై నడిచిన ఎర్రని మందారమా సురవరమా తెలుగు నేలపై నడిచిన ఎర్రని మందారమా సురవరమా అలసిపోని ఆగిపోని అదో జగత్ సమరమా ఇప్పుడు పిలుచుకున్నా రేపు తలుచుకున్నా ఇప్పుడు పిలుచుకున్నా రేపు తలుచుకున్నా మాయదలో పొంగి పొరలే తూర్పు సింధూరమా రెడ్ సల్యూట్ సురవరమా రెడ్ సల్యూట్ సురవరమా మా సుధాకరా అరుణ సుధాకరుడివై అవిశ్రాంత యోధుడివై దోపిడీ గడీల పైన ఎలుగెత్తిన గొంతుకవై అరుణ సుధాకరుడివై అవిశ్రాంత యోధుడివై దోపిడీ గడీల పైన ఎలుగెత్తిన గొంతుకవై చట్టసభల చర్చలలో ఎర్రసిరా సంతకమై ఎదిగిన నీ జీవితం ఎదలో లిఖితం ఓటమిలో కుంగిపోని విజయాలకు పొంగిపోని ఓటమిలో కుంగిపోని విజయాలకు పొంగిపోని అచ్చమైన కమ్యూనిస్టు రత్నమా మచ్చలేని రాజనీతి ముత్యమా అచ్చమైన కమ్యూనిస్టు రత్నమా మచ్చలేని రాజనీతి ముత్యమా రెడ్ సల్యూట్ సురవరమా రెడ్ సల్యూట్ సురవరమా తెలుగు నేలపై నడిచిన ఎర్రని మందారమా సురవరమా అలసిపోని ఆగిపోని అదో జగత్ సమరమా ఇప్పుడు పిలుచుకున్నా రేపు తలుచుకున్నా మాయదలో పొంగి పొరలే తూర్పు సింధూరమా మరణమైన చెరపలేని మానవతా బంధమా రెడ్ సల్యూట్ సురవరమా అనారోగ్య
He passed away at the age of 73 years. Similarly, our Kisan Sabha president and general secretary as well as a great leader, Comrade Atul Kumar Anjan, we have lost. We are sitting in this hall named after him. He was a senior communist leader, member of the National Secretariat and General Secretary of All India Kisan Sabha. He passed away at the age of 70 years in Lucknow. He got elected as the president of National College Students Union. He also won the presidency of Lucknow University Students Union for 4 consecutive terms. He became the president of AISF in its Ludhiana conference in 1971.
The classification is there. If you are Palestinian, whether you are infant, 1 month, 1 day old, or very old man, you are terrorist, or you will grow to be terrorist. So we, the Palestinians, have our classification. If you this question, they used to call them, classify them as a hate self-Jew. This is the point. This is part of the story that we want the media, especially here in India, to know more about it, to know more about the story, not only to report about Palestine. Back to the very important juncture in the international, in the global history, which is October 7. Everyone worldwide is just talking now about October 7 and Conceivable. Not everyone, every unrational one, or the Zionist movement school of thought, want us all to believe that the history was started at that day, at that exact morning. and want us to believe that everything, 715 days of continuous textbook, televised massacre is justified by what happened in that day. This is the poisoning Zionist school of thought, which poisoned already or Zionizing the global conscience. No, the story is long time before that. And the story cannot be, or the history cannot be started there. Otherwise, we should agree with, when it came to your history, that the history or part of your history was started only by the revolution or the military revolution when your ancestor launched a military resistance and killed some British at 1857. But there was a history behind that. Everyone wants us to remove the history. Everyone wants us just to remember that exactly. Likewise, what happened with your ancestors, again, more than 150 years ago or 200 years ago. This is exact issue. Again, two schools of thought. Yes, October 7 has happened. It happened. For us as a Palestinian Liberation Organization, President Abbas, we completely against it because we already choose our path, our Mahatma Gandhi path of peaceful resistance to the Israeli occupation, military occupation. But again, this is not the only day of the history. This is the difference between the rational school of thought, which we and you and every rational one representing it. On top of them, of course, the United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres, when he delivered his speech on 24 October 2023, and at that speech, he said, and October 7 did not happen from a vacuum.
Okay, thank you very much.
Palestine! Long live Palestine! Long live Palestine! Thank you, comrades. Viva Cuba! Viva Cuba! Viva Cuba! Viva Cuba! Long live Fidel Castro! Long live Fidel Castro! Long live Cuban Revolution! Long live Cuban Revolution! Long live Cuban Revolution! Long live Cuban Revolution! Long live
Okay, comment थोड़ा wait बैठिए.
Here, I would like to start by thanking the Communist Party of India for inviting us, Ambassador of Palestine and myself, to participate in this important meeting in solidarity with Palestine and with Cuba. As Conrad Pala said, India and Cuba are celebrating 65 years of bilateral relations. This relation started in 1959. Even a few months after the triumph of the Cuban Revolution, Fidel Castro sent one of the important senior leaders in Cuba, Che Guevara, to visit India. It happened on July 1959. And the history links India, Cuba, and Palestine. Because Che Guevara, before coming to India on July 1959, he was the first Latin American left leader or personality to visit Gaza to convey a message from the Cuban Revolution that we support the right of the Palestinian people for their freedom. It was in 1959. In 1973, Fidel Castro visited India.